So I wasn't really prepared for this at all. Let me see if I could get this camera angle right. Ready? How cool was that? Okay, so Santa is not going to stand by himself without those tie downs. But I think this gives you a good idea of just how tall Santa is. I can't even tell if this is in the camera. I don't know how to get to the camera. All right, let's try this one more time, see if it works. Ready? Let's see if this is it. Yeah, he's all in there. Okay. I am literally 6'2" tall, and this is Santa behind me. I will tell you for sure he won't stand on his own. He's going to take some serious work tying him down. And I would also say, don't even begin to think about putting him up on a windy day. But this thing is huge and super cool. I have to give it one of these. I hope you've given the video one of these down below. Again, like I said, watch the pricing. I've seen them all over the place. So make sure you get the right price for this. But if you find that right price, it's a great product. All right, now I gotta figure out how to get him down without crashing.